Hi guys, it's me, Jamie. I wanted to show you through, I think this is Caribbean Princess, room B222. We just got in. I just want to show you the room. So when you in, this is what you see. Hello, no, you're good. Hi. What's up, neighbor? Hope you're well. And then you close it, you walk in, and I'll show you. You walk in. This is where you put all your suitcases, anything up top. There's a little small safe in there. Actually, this is for like, oh yeah, dry cleaning, laundry. And then you have the restroom I just used, just washed my hands. Hi. And then we got our cool medallions. And then get 2 wash cups, a small tiny shower, and then I'll show you, hello, the view. We did get a balcony for this one. They were supposed to convert this into twins, so we're calling to see if they can do that for us. But hello, some nice art. Little station. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
And then port. And then you got the port. It looks beautiful. That's just a quick tour through room B22 on the Caribbean Princess. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I'll let you know how the trip goes. Make sure to follow down below. Check out all the links. I live stream on Twitch and Kick, so you definitely come by, say hi when I'm live in real time. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you soon.